Cinematography, Theory and Practice, Image Making for Cinematographers and Directors by Blaine Brown is a comprehensive guide that delves into the art and science of cinematography. This book serves as an invaluable resource for aspiring and professional cinematographers, directors, and anyone interested in the intricacies of visual storytelling. About the author. Blaine Brown is an accomplished cinematographer, director, and writer with over 3 decades of experience in the film industry. He has worked on a wide range of projects, including feature films, television shows, commercials, and documentaries. Brown's extensive knowledge and practical expertise make him a respected authority in the field of cinematography. In addition to writing this book, he has also taught cinematography and conducted workshops worldwide, sharing his insights with aspiring filmmakers. Cinematography, Theory and Practice, Image Making for Cinematographers and Directors is divided into 4 main sections, each exploring different aspects of cinematography. Here is a detailed summary of the book. Section 1, The Language of Cinematography, Chapter 1-5. This section lays the foundation for understanding the language of cinematography. It covers topics such as the role of the cinematographer, visual storytelling techniques, shot composition, camera movement, and the use of lenses. Brown explains the principles behind effective image making and provides practical examples and case studies to illustrate key concepts. Section 2, Cinematic Lighting, Chapter 6-12. In this section, Brown explores the art of lighting in cinematography. He delves into the various types of lighting fixtures, their characteristics, and the different lighting techniques employed to create mood, enhance the narrative, and shape the visual aesthetics. The author also discusses the importance of color temperature, lighting ratios, and the interplay of light and shadow in achieving the desired cinematic effect. Section 3, Camera and Exposure, Chapter 13-19. Section 3 delves into the technical aspects of cinematography, focusing on cameras, exposure, and image control. Brown provides an in-depth understanding of various camera systems, their features, and considerations for selecting the right camera for a project. He also covers exposure techniques, depth of field, shutter speed, and other factors that contribute to achieving the desired image. Section 4, Color and Post-Production, Chapter 20-25. The final section explores the role of color and post-production in cinematography. Brown explains color theory, color grading, and the use of color as a storytelling tool. He also provides insights into the post-production process, including editing techniques, visual effects, and the integration of sound and music to enhance the overall cinematic experience. Throughout the book, Blaine Brown incorporates practical advice, real-world examples, and case studies from renowned cinematographers, offering readers a glimpse into the professional world of cinematography. The book is richly illustrated with diagrams, photographs, and frame grabs, providing visual references and enhancing the learning experience. In summary, Cinematography, Theory and Practice, Image Making for Cinematographers and Directors is an indispensable guide that covers both the artistic and technical aspects of cinematography. Blaine Brown's expertise and comprehensive approach make this book an essential resource for anyone looking to master the art of visual storytelling through the lens. The book goes beyond mere technicalities and dives deep into the art of visual storytelling through the lens. Blaine Brown emphasizes the importance of collaboration between cinematographers and directors, highlighting how their creative decisions impact the narrative, mood, and overall cinematic experience. Readers will find themselves immersed in the world of cinematography as Brown explores various genres and styles, discussing the unique challenges and opportunities they present. From capturing intimate character moments in dramas to creating dynamic action sequences in thrillers, the book offers insights and techniques tailored to different storytelling contexts. Moreover, Cinematography, Theory and Practice keeps pace with the evolving industry trends and technological advancements. Brown addresses the impact of digital cinematography, including the use of digital cameras, high dynamic range, HDR, and virtual production techniques. He also discusses the integration of visual effects and CGI elements, shedding light on how cinematographers can work harmoniously with visual effects artists to create seamless and immersive visuals. One of the standout features of the book is the inclusion of interviews with renowned cinematographers and industry professionals. These interviews provide invaluable perspectives and first-hand experiences, giving readers a glimpse into the diverse approaches and creative processes employed by master cinematographers. The book's comprehensive nature makes it suitable for cinematography students, independent filmmakers, as well as experienced professionals seeking to refine their craft. It serves as a practical handbook that can be referred to throughout the various stages of a production, from pre-production planning and shot listing to on-set execution and post-production decision-making. Cinematography, Theory and Practice, Image Making for Cinematographers and Directors is more than just a textbook, it is a captivating journey into the world of visual storytelling. Blaine Brown's passion for the art shines through as he demystifies complex concepts and shares his wealth of knowledge and experience. Whether you are an aspiring cinematographer or a director eager to collaborate effectively with your cinematography team, this book is a valuable resource that will deepen your understanding and elevate your craft. 7 Lessons Learned from Cinematography, Theory and Practice, Image Making for Cinematographers and Directors. The Power of Composition. The book emphasizes the importance of shot composition in conveying meaning and enhancing storytelling. Readers learn about the rule of thirds, framing techniques, and the use of visual elements to create a balanced and compelling image. Lighting as a narrative tool. Brown highlights the transformative role of lighting in setting the mood, establishing atmosphere, and guiding the viewer's attention. Cinematographers discover how to manipulate light to evoke emotions, create depth, and enhance the overall cinematic experience. Technical mastery. From understanding camera systems to achieving proper exposure, the book provides a comprehensive overview of technical aspects. Readers gain insights into choosing the right camera for a project, managing exposure settings, and utilizing various camera features to achieve their desired visual outcomes. Collaboration and communication. Effective collaboration between cinematographers and directors is crucial for achieving a cohesive vision. The book stresses the importance of clear communication, active listening, and fostering a collaborative environment to bring out the best in both creative roles. Embracing technological advancements. Brown addresses the impact of digital cinematography, encouraging cinematographers to adapt to evolving technologies while maintaining a strong artistic sensibility. Readers learn how to leverage advancements such as digital cameras, visual effects, and virtual production techniques to push the boundaries of visual storytelling. Understanding genre and style. Different genres demand unique visual approaches. By exploring a range of genres, from drama to action, the book helps cinematographers grasp the nuances and conventions associated with each. It guides them in tailoring their techniques to effectively support the storytelling goals of a specific genre. Continuous learning and adaptation. Cinematography is an ever-evolving field, and the book emphasizes the importance of staying abreast of industry trends and embracing ongoing learning. Through case studies, interviews, and practical examples, readers are encouraged to explore new techniques, experiment, and continuously refine their craft. Beyond these lessons, cinematography, theory and practice serves as an immersive learning experience, offering readers a wealth of knowledge, practical advice, and artistic inspiration. Blaine Brown's expertise and passion shine through, making the complex concepts of cinematography accessible and engaging. This book not only equips readers with technical skills but also nurtures their creative sensibilities. It encourages them to think critically, make deliberate artistic choices, and harness the power of visual storytelling to captivate audiences. In conclusion, cinematography, theory and practice, Image Making for Cinematographers and Directors is a transformative resource that guides aspiring and experienced cinematographers alike. Its lessons go beyond technical expertise, fostering a deep appreciation for the art of cinematography and providing a solid foundation for crafting visually compelling narratives. Through this book, readers embark on a journey that equips them with the tools and mindset necessary to excel in the ever-evolving world of cinematography. Unlock the secrets of cinematic brilliance. Get your copy of Cinematography, Theory and Practice, Image Making for Cinematographers and Directors now and embark on an enlightening journey into the art of visual storytelling. If you found this book summary on cinematography, theory and practice insightful and captivating, we encourage you to like and share it with others who share a passion for filmmaking and cinematography. Help spread the knowledge and inspire fellow storytellers. Don't miss out on future book summaries in this category. Subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates and delve into more enriching summaries that explore the world of cinema, creativity, and beyond. Stay informed, inspired, and continue your journey as a lifelong learner and lover of the arts. Subscribe now and be part of our vibrant community.